Hi everyone, welcome back to 10 out of 10. It's Momo and today I'll be doing something a little bit different. Since it's February, I thought, why don't we do something Valentine's Day related? So I tried to make this. It's my first time doing a makeup video, so I hope you guys enjoy it and let's get to the video. Since my skin has been really dry, I used the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Sheet Mask before starting my makeup. And I left it on for 20 minutes and I did my base off camera. Then I applied the VDL Expert Color Eye Primer onto my lids and my lower lash line to prep for all the fun stuff that's about to happen. Next, using a crease brush, I picked up the color Sleep Nova on the Fenty Snap Shadows Rose palette. And I applied it all over my lid in a windshield wiper motion. Next, I used an eyeshadow brush and used the color Little Miss on the outer third of my eye, kind of making a V shape. Then I dragged it along my crease and inner lid, just leaving the center alone. I also took the same color and applied it onto the outer part of my lower lash line to connect them together. Taking the same crease brush I used before, I blended the edges to soften the look. Then I took a small blending brush and used the color Spice Strip on the outer thirds of my eye to add some depth and dimension. From the same palette, I used the color Sugar Shock and applied it generously on the center of my lids and blending it out. Then I mixed together Lil Miss and Stunt Queen to go over the outer part of my lower lash line to add some sparkle. I then went into the Etude House Peach Farm eye palette and used the color 달달한 Peachy Jam, which means sweet peach jam, and applied it onto my lower lash line. Then I took the color 햇살 먹은 Peachy, which means sunshine peach, and applied it onto the inner part of my lids. To do my eyeliner, I used Mamonde's gel eyeliner in the color brown to create a wing from the center of my eye. And then I lined my waterline to make my lash line look fuller. I curled my lashes and applied the Heroine Make Volume and Curl Waterproof Mascara to my upper and my lower lashes. To make things a bit more cute, I went back into the Fenty palette and used the color Little Miss to make a soft heart near my eye. I used the same Sunshine Peach color from my Etude House palette to add a little sparkle to the heart. And that completes my eye look. Moving on to blush, I used Kaja's cream blush in the color Fiesty and applied it onto my cheeks. And yes, I used it because it had a heart applicator, okay? For my lips, I used the Saem's Mousse Candy Tint in the color Strawberry Cheese Mousse. On top, I added the Face Shop's Face It Finger Gloss in the color BE701 to add some shine. Finally, to lock in the look, I used the Milani Make It Last setting spray. And there is the complete look. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you end up doing a similar look or follow this look for your Valentine's Day plans, then make sure you tag me at 10.out-of-10 on Instagram and hashtag 10out-of-10TO. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on bell notifications for alerts on our new videos. That is all from me, and I wish you guys a happy Valentine's Day!